So, very good afternoon. Namaste to all. I was thinking of starting this by around 2, but somehow I started off a bit early. I felt that I should, mm, you know, share few things, okay, before we get into the live trading part. So, if you see in the morning, let me just share you that I had expected this 400, 500. It just in a flash gave us a long trade, and here in fact after this it gave us a excellent bearish trade. Okay, and now I'm not sure this will work or but I feel that for today this is the downside. Okay, let's keep this aside. I feel this is the downside for now. Okay, any upside we will look for shorting opportunity. However, if 20 to 500 sustains, then there is a upside today itself. Okay, sustains as in holds the level with the good buying pressures. All right, and okay, let me share you uh, what trades we took. We took okay. Let me. So we went for Jubilant Food. We are in fact holding this Jubilant Food for 5% down, right? 440 call. Okay, let me just share that to you. Okay, we also finished Kotak and Axis Bank. Shriram Finance did not get activated as it. So this is a Jubilant Food 440 put. Okay, Jubal Jubal Food 440 put. So not the current expiry, but the next month. So this we are holding. All right, hoping to see that it will hit high, and this will go at least 425. So then our trade will be moving very strongly. Currently, I'm looking at Bank Nifty put side. Okay, so let me share you this. If this, okay, if you see a red candle upside and then downside. So what is my entry level? Okay, this is Kotak, then Axis Bank, and all that. We of course finished our Bank Nifty trade in the morning. 51, sorry, 300 above 358. We look at 433. That was the target which got completed. Now currently Bank Nifty 50,900 put about 230, right? Okay, which is active, right? Because 230 is my entry, no? 230 is my entry. So now this trade is active. What is the target expected? 272.98. Currently it is at 256. 50,900 we hope have bought and can move SL2 cost half book around 260, sorry, yeah, 260 should be fine, right? So let me just close this. Okay, 260 half book would be fine. There is a trade going on now. Okay, let me open another in trading. So Uh, Shriram Finance above 57 not active. Kotak not active. And they go again active. 208 above we are trading this. Okay. Mm, great. So what has happened? 256, 260 will book off and break even is 230. See, we are looking at safety. We are not looking at big profit and all that. Consistency is important for us, right? And the other trade is 22,500 put, which is also seems to be active above 78, right? What is it right now? Okay, 77. So once this set's active, we will look at it. But I somehow premiums are getting killed. So last, mm, yeah, it's active. But also notice more confident above 86, 88, 86, where we can add more quantity. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we will trail the SL, LSL after 2 p.m. big move. Okay, great. So that's the trades we have at the moment. Okay. So as I mentioned, I think its stop loss may get hit in this Nifty. Okay. Let me take this call. I will call you back. Hello. Anything urgent? I just okay. I'll call. Yeah. Bye. Bye. So 2 o'clock onwards, I think we should have some good trades at the moment. Market Nifty, especially see this 22,450 is not come, right? 476. So that's the thing. 476, 460 below also will be a trigger for this put. Okay. So we will look at that. Uh, so where is Jubilant? Jubilant. Okay. So Jubilant is as expected is hitting. So minus 5%. So this I was looking at minus 5%. So let me forward this to. Right. So great, superb. So in fact, Spot also had shared the level for this 438 below. Oh, so 438 below, I was expecting 428 in Spot. Okay, this is not active. Access is over. Kotak 23.5. Okay. below short 438 can see 428. Okay, so excellently this is moving. Okay, uh, 12 April 440. I don't know. Anyways, so we can't trade this expiry, so we had to take the next month expiry. It's going a little slow. All right, and okay, Bank Nifty, we still as we have booked off to 66 now. To 33 was the entry. Let us see how far it can go. Uh, Nifty put also seems to be getting activated. Okay, so all right. See, this is a monthly expiry. Market is not going to give us money easily. Okay. Uh, Nevertheless, we are okay, happy with, because our motto is to be consistent on profit. It's not about making big and then uh, making big, losing big. It's not the way. Lose small, but try and be consistent profit with the 1:2 risk rewards. See here, if you notice, Bank Nifty, I mentioned 260 half book and then try lesson. See, this went to 275. So some members generally, they book by the time and then, make profit. So that's a safer way of trading rather than, going for big and, losing. Uh, since market is slow, I'm thinking should I pause this and come back? Less I will allow this to run for some time. Okay. And if you have any questions, so Nifty typically, mm, okay, so it is kind of a, it's not a cup and handle, but can form cut and handle. Uh, so it is not cross 50 nor cross 500 above. Okay, once it cross 500, then I think I will go for the long side. Okay, maybe I'll post it beforehand. So I don't think the premium will move. So I'm just very skeptical of this premium to move. But market is very very flattish. So we'll come back on some time and then we can look at the trades. But I think these are the levels I'm looking at. Okay. How do I pause this? I can't pause it. I have to restart. Okay. Okay. We'll wait for market to move. I'll I'll be watching for some time. Uh, Bank Nifty is somehow 50,000, 680, 650, then big move of 100, 200 points can be expected. One interesting I want to show you all, guy people. Crude, I don't know if you are all aware of, the it had gone below minus, right? This happened because of futures margin. This, I think, overnight it had happened in 2020. Right now, this is nearing to this highs, 120 barrel. Correct? It's almost hit, I think, this week. Spikes have come. So that's not a very good sign for any market. Forget Indian market. Every market is kind of bleeding now. And we were many times in the YouTube kept telling market doesn't look good. Stay away uh, and don't over invest. This we had mentioned in our channel, YouTube and many places. Okay, you can probably go and check. Our targets were somewhere at 21,900. Even now, my target is maybe 21,900 or even below also. We never know. Okay, so now I'm not thinking of any big investments or advise anybody. Nevertheless, I we are not heavy registered. We just share our views. These are all for educational. So you know best what is the you are the best judge how you want to manage, whether to keep the funds in the a fixed deposit, whether to invest in the market. All this planning, you are the best judge because you know your commitments. That's most important. We are not aware of your commitments. We know everybody is aware of their own requirements. So at home, personal friend, whether they are insured very well, terms for health, everything. So those details has to be checked. Only then we can anybody can guide anybody, right? So okay. So there was a query. ONGC somebody has bought huge quantity. We'll see what is happening in ONGC. Huge quantity 285. It has got to 288. Okay. Oh, okay. Currently it's trading at 285. So it went down to 260 and then come to 280. Okay, so we had advised them that this was a level to enter. The levels are still there. Okay, now I think their entry is 285. Good to plan to exit or partially exit. I mean, because I feel it may hit and then come down. Okay, see Nifty is stuck there, just moving up, down, up, down. formed this kind of, there's a kind of a double top. I'm bearish, of course. I'm definitely bearish. We'll look at this data in any case. There is selling pressure being built. 22,500 slowly being built. There's support so far right now, but I think I feel this can not hold for long. But the premiums will get killed. Right now, the premium will get killed until 2 o'clock to 2:10. And then, comes the wild moves. Whoa. But whereas Bank Nifty, I'm confident. Uh, the premium is very high. So definitely this will get killed more. Okay. Now it is hitting the 450 below. We're prepared for the puts. Oh, 81. Look at the spike. Because it's going for the kill, I'm telling you. 83. Look at this Bank Nifty as well. I had mentioned, if you remember, below to 670, I expect 580 or 590. So that should happen now shortly. Okay, superb. All people who are long, I think, going. Bank Nifty is going for the kill. Okay, it is kind of stuck there. Okay, what we can do is 22,450 call and put. Let me check. Uh, let's see. I think 22,450 call and put will be very good. Let us see. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, it's gone now. Okay, I think there is time for us to wait. As I said, premiums will keep killing now, but nevertheless, Bank Nifty is giving us profit. We're taking a small risk in Nifty, so shouldn't be a big issue. So I'll pause for some time. spot is moving, Nifty options are not moving, but we are still bearish. Okay, I'm sure many are holding longs here, expecting market to move, but this we are not stuck in the wrong direction, right? Uh, so superb. As I told you, put will move eventually. And that's what is happening. You see 22,500 put moving at 87 towards our target. So if somebody is interested, maybe they can look at 22,450 put as well. Okay, this stop loss target, all that you can decide. So yeah, this is our channel. Okay, to go for the contents, possibly if you go for the last year videos. So this unlisted are all training sessions, not active for others. So we recorded some of the trainings we had shared. Uh, okay, let's look at what is happening. I'm holding Bank Nifty. Nifty. Okay. So whoever are on the put side, you are going, at least can be assured that you are not going to be in loss. Okay. Who are on the call side at the moment, I'm not very sure. So 94, 95. See, market is very, very simple. You have, we don't need to complicate things. Thinking, oh, market will do this double bottom, this is triple bottom. But to see here, what happened? 102. And what happened to our put? 50,900 put is now 290. So I hope you all enjoyed. the trade. And thanks for joining. So I will also be doing a 30-day challenge, money manifestation 30-day challenge. Money manifestation 30 days challenge, where we guide you every day for receiving money. So Jubilant Food and 440 put. Okay, stuck there. Okay, Indigo. Let us see, at least Indigo 4,400. No, no, 4050. Sorry, this was again next month. 4050 to not 8 we bought. Okay, to 18. It's also same. So because the rollover is happening, it's going to be slow. Uh, okay, so that's the way it is. I'm hoping that you guys are in profit after joining this channel and booking profit. There's also about 57, sorry, 56, 57 to 65 points done. So, okay, great. Thank you. God bless you all. Take care. And as I said, join the manifestation program, Money Manifestation Challenge. It's a challenge where we'll help you to make money, not just to trading, in overall improvements. You will see overall improvements in your quality of your life, right? We are all breathing. How effectively you are breathing, how's your health, how's your mind, your positivity matters. So that's the overall well-being we look at. Okay, thank you. God bless you all. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all.